So, one of the hardest things for a driver to do, especially a company driver to do, is cross that $100,000 threshold, because you got so many things riding on you, you know? You got your time off that you got to take, that's, you know what I'm saying, if the wheels ain't turning and you ain't earning. You know, you got family time, you got breakdown time that might happen to you, God forbid it don't. But, you know, it's all kind of things, just life that can happen that will keep you, that could keep you away from earning that $100,000. But today I'm going to tell you the secret of actually how to make that $100,000. And it's just one simple step to making the $100,000. Once you get your job is going to pay you $50,000 to $60,000 automatically. And so it's going to be up to you to earn that extra $40,000 or $50,000. And I'm going to say it again, it's going to be up to you to earn that extra $40,000 or $50,000. So what I'm telling you is this: whatever that vision is that you have, whatever your dream is, that's what you should be following right now. If you're a photographer, you should be selling photos on iStock or Shutterfly or whatever it's called, because, you know what I'm saying, that's your passion. And the more you put into it, the more it'll give to you in the long run. So if you really want to cross $100,000 as a company driver, the first thing that you need to do is figure out that vision that you want to follow, and figure out that business that you really need to follow. And don't tell me real estate. Please don't tell me real estate. Figure out the vision that you want to follow, and let's make that thing a reality, because that's how we're going to actually be able to get to $100,000 as a company truck driver. And this doesn't matter who you drive for. You drive for Swift, you can drive for Prime. This doesn't matter. But the only way to get that extra money is to make your second income equal to your first income. And then you'll be able to cross that threshold. Now, I too, myself, Savage Trucker, your boy, is a company driver for my own company. But I'm still a company driver. And that's the mentality that I have. And so because I have that mentality, I had to find a side hustle. And so in the background, you see it. When we ain't on the road, we out here. We hauling cars, because my hustle needed a side hustle in order for me to make sure that this hustle hit $1,000. Because I cannot be a company driver and not hit $100,000 a year. So now, if this video helped you, like and subscribe. If you want to know more about starting your own business, please comment, leave me a question. I love answering questions. So, you know, until then, family, faith, and love, man, be good.